Masters Rules of Spoken English through Rehan Honor Channel. Rule number 27. Please note my pronunciation. Seven. Wrong. Seven. ISM at the end of a word to indicate certain schools of politics or philosophy. ISM at the end of a word is pronounced as ism. For example, fascism, the policy of Mussolini in Italy, is called fascism. Nazism, that is, the Hitler followed Nazism in Germany. Gandhiism is full of non-violence and truth. Escapism is not good. You must either take part or keep silent. Escapism. Communism can be found in China and in Russia. Socialism teaches us that equality must prevail in the society. Therefore, communism, socialism, fascism, Nazism, Gandhism, escapism are the examples for certain words ending with ISM in the spelling but must be pronounced as ism. Now, let's see rule number 28. The pronunciation of some words is completely different from the spelling. If you follow the spelling, it will be mispronounced. For example, soldier, SOLDIER, soldier. He is a soldier in the army. Lieutenant, see the spelling, LIEUTENANT. It is pronounced as lieutenant in the army. Lieutenant commander is a higher post. Omelette, see the spelling, OMELETTE. Take an omelette at your breakfast. Procedure, PROCEDURE, procedure. Follow the procedure when you work. Colonel, COLONEL, Colonel. See, if we don't have the knowledge of spoken English, we will pronounce this word as colonel, but the actual sound is colonel. Colonel. Colonel Karupaiah is a famous military man, colonel. Then this is a very complicated word, entirely different from the spelling and the pronunciation. It must be pronounced as zong, zong, but we write it as Genre. Poetry, prose, essay writing, criticism, all the examples for the zong in literature. The painter is following the zones. Caesarean, Caesarean. See the spelling, Ceasarian. Caesar, the great Roman. But we use this Caesarean for a serious operation while the delivery is operated. Caesarean. Therefore, we must be very much careful between the spelling and the pronunciation of such words like soldier, lieutenant, omelette, procedure, colonel, zong, Caesarean. Thank you. Two more rules.